Hi class, today we are going to learn about factoring. A factor is simply a smaller number that can divide exactly into any larger number and gives the remainder of 0. I'm going to go over the different steps to take in order to obtain the factors. Number 1, write your number. Number 2, find 2 or more numbers that multiply into the first number. Number 3, determine whether your factors can be factored again. Number 4, decide whether or not your numbers are prime or composite. Prime means no other numbers can be factored into the numbers except for 1 times itself. Composite means that 2 other numbers besides 1 and itself can be factored into the number. Number 5, when both numbers are prime, you are done. Number 6, you factor negative numbers the same. Today, we are going to work with the numbers 39, 44, and 98 respectively. So right now, I'm going to write the number 39 down. 39, we know that the 1 and 39 can go into 39. But we're not done. So this is actually a composite number because we know that 39 has at least 2 numbers that can go into 39, which I'm going to start with 3 because 2 obviously does not go into 9. Okay, so 3 can go into 39 13 times. So I'm going to write 3 and 13 right here. Okay, so now we have 3 and 13. Is 3 composite or prime? Well, we have a prime number here, so we can't do anything with that. Can we have any other 2 numbers besides 1 and 13 go into 13? No. So we are done. So then the numbers that factor into 39 evenly are 1 times 39, and 3, and 13. No other numbers go into it, so we leave this space blank. All right, great. So the next number we are working with today is going to be the number 44. I like to have a blank screen when I'm working. It makes it a lot easier to think, a lot easier to see, and to focus for those that have ADHD like myself. So 1 and 44. So we're going to do a number tree just like before with 44. So I'm going to start out with the most simplest numbers. And the most simplest numbers for me to start out with would be 2 and 22. Right? Because we know 2 goes into 44. Now for 22, 22 would be 2 times 11. Okay, so it looks like we are actually done here. Right? Looks like it. Let's find out. So 2 times 11 is 44, right? No, it's not. 11, interesting. What goes into 11 to make 44? 4. So what we would do is we would say 2 times 2 equals 4. Now I can put my 11 down. But guess what? 2 times 22 equals 44, right? So now we are done. It was that magical number 4 that we were missing, right? So just remember always to write your smaller numbers out on the left. So at the very end, we can multiply those all together just to make sure that we're not missing any in-between numbers. So therefore, we are done with 44. The numbers that go into 44 evenly are, once again, 1 times 44, 2 times 22, 4 times 11. There we go. And now the last number we're going to do is the number 98. And I'm going to write this all the way over here because there might be quite a few numbers that go into 98, and we're just going to find them. We're just going to tackle them. 1 times 98 is 1 set. But we know that, guess what, 98, actually 2 goes into 98. How many times? 49, right? Then we have, so we can write that out. 2 times 49 definitely goes in. And then we write the next one. 2 is a prime number. 49 is not. So we're going to write the prime number for 7. 7 times 7. Oh, look at that. There's 2 numbers there. So 7 goes down. So 7 times 7 is not 98, right? So once again, we come over here, but we do know, once again, remember that we couldn't extend anymore. 7 cannot go in, no other numbers can go into 7, but 7 itself, same over here. So these are actually finished, right? So now we go over here. 2, we go to the left-hand side. 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, looks like we're actually done. So let's find out. So 1 times 98 is 98. 2 times 49 is 98. 7 times 14 is 98. So we're done. And the coolest way to find out, let me just rewrite this for a minute. The coolest way to find out if we're really, really done is to make sure we know these are the biggest numbers, these are the smallest, so we can actually keep going. 8 does not go into 98, 9 does not go into 98, 10, 11, 12, 13 do not go into 98. We're already on 14, so we're done. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me because I am more than happy to help you. That is my passion in life, is to teach and to help others learn. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.